Know how I'm obsessed with the House of Argos. And guys, this is Pour Femme. This bottle is so stinking gorgeous, and I do have my engraving in the back that says spicy looks. Now this fragrance is a very soft, delicate, feminine fragrance. This is not one that is going to scream at you. The atomizer in these are so beautiful. Guys, this has violet leaf. It has some bergamot to the top. There's some orange blossom. There's iris, pink pepper, vanilla, tonka bean. So there's a bunch of notes in it. It's very powdery. It's very feminine. It's very classy. This fragrance, as I said, it's not like the rest of Argos that's punching you in the face. This is a more reserved, very elegant lady. She smells absolutely beautiful, but she's not a screamer. This one, I would say, is perfect for workplace environment, somewhere where you don't want to be noticed for your fragrance, but when people come in your scent bubble, you're like, ooh, you smell good. You know, that kind of vibe. It's not a screamer, but when I tell you elegant, very sophisticated and classy, this is Argos Pour Femme. Absolutely stunning.